Welcome to another video of C++ tutorials. Today we will learn about a new thing that is known as reference variable. So I have written the reference variable as the title and I will comment it out. Now let's see what is this reference variable. As we all know, Lionel Messi, someone calls him Lionel and some people calls him Messi, and also he is known as LM10. So these all are different names, but these all refer to the same person. So just like that, the reference variable are different names for the same value or the same variables. They are not the copy of the variable, they are just the different names which we use to call the same variable. I have just given this example to explain the thing to you. I will comment it out now, and now we will declare a variable that is float Lionel, and I will assign the value 10 to it. So if we now print the value of the variable, I will write Lionel equals to and then the value of the variable to avoid any confusion. So now let's run this. Here we can see the output screen shows Lionel equals to 10. So it is obvious that the value of Lionel we have assigned 10 and it will show 10. Now let's make some changes. Now we will declare another variable, and this variable is not any general variable, it is the reference variable of the variable Lionel. So how to declare it? We will write first the data type and then ampersand and name of the reference variable. So it will be float ampersand Messi, and I will assign the first variable Lionel to the new reference variable. So I will write float ampersand Messi equals to Lionel. So in the comments I have written that the value of Lionel is not getting copied to another variable named Messi. Both the variables point to the same location and same value. Okay, so the value is single, the value is not getting copied, the value is single, but two variables are referring to that value. We can see in the picture the two variables Lionel and Messi are referring to the same block of memory, that is the same value. Okay, so the space is single, there is no copy, the both of them are referring to a single value. Now let's check, let's change the value of the variable Lionel. So let's see what happens, and we will print both the unchanged value and the changed value together. Here we have assigned the value of Lionel equals to 30. So if we change the value of the variable, now let's run this. As you can see, the value of Lionel and Messi is 10, but the now Lionel is 30, as we updated its value from 10 to 30. So it is understandable that the value we have assigned 30 to Lionel and the value of Lionel will be shown as 30. But what will happen to the variable Messi? That is the what will happen to the reference variable. So to see that, let's run it and understand. So we can see the value of Lionel and Messi was 10, but now the value of Lionel and Messi, that is now Lionel and now Messi, is 30. So we have only changed the value of Lionel, but the value of variable Messi is updated automatically. So basically what happens here, let's see. So as the both variables Lionel and Messi was pointing to the same space, that is same value, then when we update one of them, the value gets changed or it is updated. And as we know that the reference variable does not create a copy of the variable, it points to the same variable. So if we update the value of the variable from 10 to 30, then it will reflect on the other variable as well. So the change of one variable reflects to both of the variables values. So that's it for today. Do subscribe and keep commenting if you want any other video on any other topics.